Dongguan Shenzhen Jiecheng Plastic Packaging Products Company Limited is a well-established and fast-growing Chinese packaging company. Our company is engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of cellophane bags, laminated film roll stock, day pack bags, zipper pouches, spout pouches. All our products are rendered from the excellent quality materials and produced with skilled craftsmanship of the global market. From BOPP to complex metallized barrier substrates, we provide flexible packaging for food and beverage, confectionery, personal care, pharmaceutical, and a chemical company. We are located in Dongguan with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including printing machines, laminating machines, automatic bag-making machines. In addition, we have obtained quality system certificates ISO 9001. All of our products meet SGS, FDA, and European Food Contact Material Safety legislation. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in the US, Canada, European countries, Asia. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. For customized packaging, you can rely on our company.